Hello everyone, this is a little 10-inch Massey Box Fan that I got from the same garage sale I got the Dayton box fan at. I gave the guy a 5 and he told me just take both of them. Here's the back of it. This little thing obviously is just a Walmart fan. Probably didn't cost much when it was brand new. So it's not real impressive, but the price was right, so why not? That's low. Medium. High. And off. Pretty rattly. It's just got a little C-frame motor in there. There it is. But it was pretty much free because I was gonna give him $5 for the Dayton box fan anyway. So for free, not bad, I guess. That is it for that. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.